Still creating tables manually in Microsoft Word? Watch this video because I'm about to show you simple trick on how to create table easily in both Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. So without wasting much time, watch this video now. So in order to convert your text to a table directly, I use two methods actually. The first one is the straightforward, and the second one is the shortcut. So let's go the straightforward first. So first thing, you have to highlight your text like this. To insert, go to tables, drop it down. Don't press the table automatically, just drop it down and go to convert text to table like this. Just click on it, and please note the things you use to separate your text will determine here. So if you use tab, you can choose tab. If you use other symbol, you can also state it here. If you use paragraph, okay, but for my case I use comma. So as you can see, this is comma, so I choose comma and click OK. Boom, your table is ready in just few clicks. So you want to see the coolest part? Let's go to the shortcut. Highlight again like this. Now you're gonna wanna hold the alt NDI, and boom, your table is here. If you found the video helpful, hit the subscribe button and kindly follow for more Microsoft Word tips.